Now I've been sent this little pump by Outdoor Master, and what we've got here is a little pump for air mats and inflatable boats. So it will do things like pack rafts. I'm going to inflate the Itiwit PR500 with it and see how it goes. Just starting to strain, so we'll stop that now. I was just starting to strain, so we'll stop that. This is supposed to inflate to 1 psi, and to be honest with you, that feels pretty good. So that's not a bad start for this Outdoor Master. Forget what it's called, I'll put the name of it on the screen, but the name of the pump. Nice. Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Just been out for a paddle on Ladybower Reservoir here in the Itiwit, but now got a new toy. You might have seen a while ago that I reviewed this Itiwit PR500 Packraft, which was the machines. Well, I've been able to pick one up on eBay for a reasonable price. I'm quite happy with this. So it's never even been in the water. So I'm going to take it out and get it wet for its first outing. Woohoo! Missed it. Pull toys! They are, yeah. Raf's out in pull toy as well. Which one? Pull toys are back out. Why do I call them pull toys? Because you can just spin them all over the bloody place. Yeah, very different feeling, isn't it? We've just been out in inflatable kayaks, and now we're out in, as I say, I call them pull toys, but they're not really. They're very expensive pull toys if they were. We're just going to go for a bit of a fanny about where that bridge is. That's all we were planning on doing. And this is the first time getting this thing wet. We're not going to be out long because well, look at that sky. It's looking a little bit ominous, isn't it? Yeah. Not looking good. Lots of paddle boarders out on here today. We're just going to go fanny around around this bridge here. It's hard to believe sometimes that this bridge would have been so much tall. Well, it actually is so much taller. It's just that they flooded this reservoir, flooded a village, so that they could put more water in it. So underneath some of where we're paddling, there's a village. But yeah, the stanchions on this bridge would have been, it would have looked like a taller bridge many years ago. The thing I love about packrafts is it's just nice to get on the water sometimes and fanny about rather than aiming for distance. Just get on the water and bugger about for a bit. Just a lot of fun. Is that? What's that in the water there? It looks like a little statue. It is a little Buddha, isn't it? What a strange thing to find. Part of the Itiwit clan over there. Hello fellow Itiwit owner. So what you can see up ahead there, that's a dam at the end of well, one segment of the reservoir, this reservoir. There's quite a few aspects to it really. So today we went up what they call the snake arm in the to shoot the video before this. Quick turn, quick turn, quick turn. Ah, the joys of packrafts. Right, let's see what we can find. Trawling the bank. I don't like to come back with nothing. I like to come back with some spoils. What's that blue thing? Looks like half a ball. It's a bowl. Yeah, a bowl. I think I'll set that free on the water. I think it looks more fun floating, that. Here we go. Let's go and explore under here. Bit too low, that one. Let's shimmy out and go back in. Should have bought a rubbish bag. Could have done a bit of a clean up. Machine's taking pictures. There's good driftwood under there. That'll make good firewood. Not a bad view, is it? Could be better though. Yeah, I know, I'm a cheeky sod. Oh boy! Get out of the way, boys! Oh, a bit of wind behind us, that's nice. Too much curry. So apparently when they were flooding this reservoir, I don't know how true the story is, but the owner of the, if you look, you can actually see their garden gate. In fact, let's go and have a nose. The owner of this house refused to leave apparently, so they couldn't actually flood it any higher than this. But you can see their gate there, can't you? So I'm getting blown about, but you can see that gate there. Got a good view over the reservoir though, haven't they? Because that's the direction, the general direction their windows point. Why would you want to leave that? Bloody motorbikes. Noisy sods. It's so nice just drifting around. We're just bobbing around here having a bit of a giggle. Spinning, doing donuts, that kind of thing. Woo! I always forget how much fun a packraft is until I get in one, and then it's like, oh yeah, this is what I like about this. It's not about distance, it's just about being on the water and having a bit of a giggle. I think Raf's seen how tight you can get around a buoy. Quite a busy area this, especially today. It is now about, I don't know, it must be marching on for 2 o'clock I guess. 2:30, so it's been quite popular today. Look, he's doing it. He's doing it. Seeing how tight you can get. Let's pretend we're not watching. Yeah, I know, I'm daft. Right, we're through playing about. Been having a bit of fun. So I'm just going to wrap this little video up there. This was just, as I say, a bit of fun. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel. In terms of liking, subscribing, blah, 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 blah. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. This is the Itiwit PR500, and I've been itching to try it for what it's kind of designed for, which is bike rafting.